Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace an engine air filter on a 2018 Toyota Rav4 Hybrid. It's quite simple. You don't need any tools at all, just two of your thumbs. That's all you need. It's very basic. Anyone can do it, and it'll save you a lot of money instead of taking your car to the mechanic shop to get it replaced, and then they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg for it, and the filter doesn't cost that much. It's only like 10-15 bucks. Alright, let's get to it. Now let's locate it where the air filter is hiding at. It's inside this box right here. See this little hybrid wires right here? Right behind here, which is this right here. Now get two of your thumbs, push this down, see, lift this up and pull it towards you. See, right there, that's the air filter. Hello, dirty. Okay, now let's install the new air filter. This is the new one, nice and clean. You lift this up a little bit, pop this in, pull this towards you. If you see this little tab right here, see that? Make sure this little tab slide inside that little bracket right there, just to hold the cover on. Slide it in like that. Now put the clip back on. What you do to make it easier, you put your hand right there, press it down, then pop it in. There you go. That's it. That's pretty simple. There's no tools required. Just two of your thumbs right there. That's it. If you don't want to get dirty, you can wear gloves just like me. Alright. See how easy that one is? Quite simple. Anyone can do it. Alright, that's it you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.